example, we will use the symbol greater than or equal, and also we will discuss today about rational expression in solving inequality. Here's the example. Question number 3, solve 2x squared plus x minus 15 greater than and equals to 0 and graph the solution set. Alright, so first we are going to check whether the given inequality is written in standard form. Alright, so since the inequality is written in standard form, we will proceed to the next step, which is we are going to find the roots of this quadratic inequality. So the factors of 2x squared plus x minus 15. So let's start with the first term, 2x squared. Factors of 2x squared, we have 2x and x. Then factors of negative 15. So we have, just take the factors of 15, we have 5 and 3. Then assign the operations here. Since the middle term is positive, we will put here plus, then here will be minus, subtraction. Alright, then equate these two. You are going to equate this inequality to 0, so we have now 2x minus 5 greater than or equals to 0, then x plus 3 greater than or equals to 0, and then transpose negative 5, we have 2x greater than or equals to 5, then the other side will be x greater than or equals to negative 3. While here we will divide both sides by 2, so x greater than or equals to 5. But we will identify which of these is the solution of this quadratic inequality. So we will use now the sign graph method. So we will assign 0 here. So we will use this factor. So we have 2x minus 5 or 2x minus 5. Then the other one is 4x plus 3. So in order to make this 0, 2x minus 5, the value of x will be 5 over 2 or 2.5. So 2.5 is here between 2 and 3. So this is 2.5. Then put 0 on top. Then at the right side will be positive. And then at the left side of 0 will be negative. Okay, then for x plus 3, to make it equals to 0, so the value of 3. So assign here 0, then at the right side positive, then left side negative. So I just draw a boundary line. Now, going back to the inequality, the given inequality, so the symbol is greater than or equals. So if it is greater than or equals, from here, we have x is greater than or equals to 5 over 2. And then here will be x is less than or equals to negative 3. So therefore, the solution set of this quadratic inequality will be for all values of x such that x is less than or equals to negative 3 and greater than or equals to 5/2. So this is now the solution set. Then another question we need to graph. To graph this is assign 0 at the middle. Then 1, 2, 3. So 5/2 is here, which is equivalent to 2.5. So this will be closed circle. And then negative 3 is here. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. And then closed circle also. Then less than negative 3, so the graph will form, okay, direction is going to the right, closed circle, then closed circle here, going to the right also, then this one going to the left. So this is the graph of this inequality, okay? So that's the answer for number 4. Thank you guys. To answer question number 4, so this is different from other quadratic inequalities because the given is a rational expression then involving inequality. So here's the first solve and graph the solution set of 3x minus 7 all over x minus 1 greater than or equals 2. 3x minus 7 over x minus 1 greater than or equals to 2. So all you have to do is you need to transpose positive 2 or simply equate this to 0. 3x minus 7 over x minus 1 minus 2 greater than or equals to 0. And then we need to get the LCD of this term. So the LCD is x minus 1 minus x minus 1 also here, then greater than or equals to 0. So x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is 1, multiplied to the numerator, so the answer will be 3x minus 7. And then x minus 1 times 2 is equals to 2x minus 2. Alright, then simplifying this, we have 3x minus 7, negative times 2x is negative 2x, then negative times negative 2 equals positive 2, all over x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Then 3x minus 2x is equals to x, negative 7 plus 2 is equals to minus 5 over x minus 1 greater than or equals to 0. So in this case, we are going to use now the sine graph. So let's have it here. So for x minus 1, then for x minus 5. So in order to make this 0, so we have now positive 1. So let us assign here 0, negative 1, negative 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. So we will put here 0. Then at the right side will be positive. Then at the left side will be negative. In order to make this expression 0, so the value of x must be positive 5. So this is positive 5, we will put here 0, then at the right side positive, then the left side negative. Okay. Now, look at the inequality. So greater than or equals. But here, it's written in a rational expression. So if we will divide negative divided by negative, the answer will be positive. The same with here, positive, or 1 divided by 0 is undefined here because this is 0. Okay, so if we will divide it by 0, so the answer here will be undefined. Then here negative, 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 then here will be positive, positive. Okay. So the solution set now will be, therefore, the solution set will be for all values of x such that x is less than 1, greater than or equals to positive 5. So this will be the answer. Then if we are going to graph it, so the graph will be like this. So here close circle going to the right, then here open circle going to the left. So this will be the graph. Okay guys, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you learned something about that. Have a nice day to everyone. Bye-bye. Shoutout sa lahat ng grade 9. Sa lahat na naging estudyante ni Sir Pagas, shoutout sa inyong lahat.